Welcome back to Santino's channel. Today is Christmas Day, and as you will notice, I am going to be reviewing all the cars I got for Christmas. These will be brief reviews. I'll do a more thorough review a little later as I get more time, but I wanted to show you what I got and give them to you. This right here is a 2006
Dodge Challenger
Concept Cup car.
I want to say very nice looking vehicle.
Very nice looking vehicle.
It's on the front. Hey.
Showing the front, it's got some gold
stripes.
Gold accents up there on the hood, racing stripe type accents. All right, well, look for our more in-depth.
Hey, look at the back.
Look for our more in-depth review coming soon. I'm gonna show you the back of this. You'll see.
Hey, watch me open the trunk.
We'll open the trunk for you. Yeah. Okay. All right. We'll see you guys. Bye.